90 AD. Can you imagine this level of detailing in 90 AD? कभी कभी सोचता हूँ मेरा पुतला बनेगा तो पोज क्या होना चाहिए.
You definitely deserve to be in a museum.
कभी सोचा what we'd be like if we grew up in another place.
Interesting. क्योंकि कुछ जगहें मुंह सवाल पूछती हैं जो हम खुद से नहीं पूछते.
और कुछ जगहें ऐसी हैं जो कुछ पूछती नहीं है, सिर्फ सुनने देती हैं. Let me show you.
It's amazing how silence can feel like someone is speaking back.
It's just Abu Dhabi. It's like a pause button.
We travel to see the world, but sometimes we end up seeing ourselves.